The Anua Peach 70% Niacinamide Serum is a brightening and hydrating serum that helps improve skin texture and tone. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this serum properly along with some important do's and don'ts. The Anua Peach 70% Niacinamide Serum is formulated with 70% peach extract and 5% niacinamide, making it an ideal serum for brightening and evening out skin tone. The combination of peach extract and niacinamide works to hydrate the skin, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and improve overall skin texture. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Here are the key ingredients in the serum. The main key ingredient is 70% peach extract, which is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Peach extract helps to hydrate the skin, protect against environmental damage, and provide a radiant glow. The next ingredient is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. With a concentration of 5%, niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin. It has the ability to help visibly fade skin discoloration, improve skin texture, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. This serum also contains powerful hydrators, such as desert yeast oil and triple hyaluronic acid to replenish skin's moisture for a softer complexion. Let's now jump into how to use the Anua Peach 70% Niacinamide Serum into your skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Take a few drops of the serum onto your fingertips and gently pat it onto your face and neck, focusing on areas with dark spots and uneven skin tone. After applying the serum, follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. In the morning, always follow with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the serum. Firstly, do a patch test before using it on your face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do use it twice daily in your morning and evening skincare routines for best results. Don't mix the serum with exfoliating acids. Most niacinamide product formulations don't work well with exfoliating acids. If you use exfoliating acids in your skincare routine, avoid using at the same time as the Anua Niacinamide Serum. The Anua Peach 70% Niacinamide Serum is a great addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for brightening, hydrating, and improving your skin's texture. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more radiant, even-toned complexion. If you want to learn more about the Anua skincare range, check out this playlist here next.